Gaoyou is located on the southern end of Jianghuai Plain, an area that features a humid, subtropical climate and abundant rainfall. Within the territory are the misty Gaoyou Lake, the busy Grand Canal, and numerous lake beaches and networked rivers. As early as 7,000 years ago, ancient Chinese had settled in this region. The first emperor of the Qin dynasty built here a high platform and set up a post station, hence the name of Gaoyou. According to the Annals of Gaoyou, Gaoyou Lake evolved from 36 natural lakes with a water storage capacity of 600 million cubic meters, making it the sixth largest freshwater lake in China. The Li Canal, which was called Hangou in ancient times, was built in 486 BC. It is a busy waterway for transportation and a canal for irrigation and water diversion. Gaoyou Irrigation District, with an irrigation area of more than 33,333 hectares, is a large-scale gravity irrigation scheme in China. As the New Book of Tang records, Li Jifu, the prime minister during the Huaihe period of Tang Dynasty, built the Pingjin Weir to regulate the water level of the canal. His principle of preventing insufficiency and releasing excess has since then become the guideline in the water conservation construction of Gaoyou. The Old Book of Tang records when Li Jifu served as the governor of Huainan region. He embanked the Gaoyou Lake for irrigation, benefiting tens of thousands hectares of farmland. In addition, he built another two ponds named Furen and Guben. Together, these projects not only ensured that Hangou Canal had sufficient water, but also increased the irrigated area by more than 30,000 hectares. Also called the Three Ponds of Gaoyou, these three projects laid foundation for large-scale irrigation in this region. After the Yellow River changed its course and flowed into the sea through the estuary of the Huaihe River, Gaoyou Lake became a lake that lies above the surrounding land, making gravity irrigation possible along the Li Canal. During the Ming and Qing dynasties, the government prioritized water transport and prohibited farmers from diverting water on their own for irrigation. Local officials often participated in water distribution between transport and irrigation. According to the Annals of Gaoyou in Qing Dynasty, the sluices are designed to relieve droughts and reduce floods. They are opened and closed at appropriate time so as to benefit farmland. The ponds in Gaoyou cover an area as long as 40 kilometers from east to west, and there are dozens of sluices. In the time of floods, the Gaoyou Lake may release water into the canal, and in time of droughts, the farmland may be irrigated with the water of the Gaoyou Lake through the canal. This is how the lake benefits the local people. Gaoyou Lake irrigates tens of thousands of hectares of farmland through the sluices and canals, turning water disasters into water benefits. By 1921, 9 gates, 9 culverts, and 4 overflow dams had been built on both sides of the Li Canal in Gaoyou, forming a sound irrigation and drainage system. Nanshe Culvert, Zhiying Gate, Jieshou Gate, Chiliu Gate are all still in use today. Nanguan Dam, built in 1414, was in use till the founding of the People's Republic of China. For hundreds of years, the canal water has nourished vast farmland through these time-honored facilities. Using the lake and canal for water storage, the gates, culverts, and dams for water distribution, and the main canal, branch canals, and sublateral canals for water delivery, the heritage of the Li Canal and Gaoyou Irrigation District has formed a complete irrigation system that has achieved 2 dynamic balances. the balance of water levels during droughts and floods, as well as the functional balance between water transport and irrigation. This concept of systemized irrigation project is far ahead of its times. Before the Ming Dynasty, the Li Canal was linked with many lakes. Starting from 1489, in the Ming Dynasty, the east and west embankments of the canal were gradually built to separate the canal from the lakes, which not only protected the boats from winds and waves of the lakes, but also transformed Gaoyou Lake into a water tank that regulates the water volume of the canal and irrigation. This construction technique of Nangguan Dam was particularly outstanding. The main body of the dam was built with stone slabs. Cedar stakes and tabia were used to form the foundation. The slabs were consolidated with a mixture of lime and glutinous rice juice and connected with iron ingots to form a streamlined overflow dam surface. The dam has a sturdy structure and is still intact after more than 200 years. Gaoyou Lake, Li Canal, Gaoyou Irrigation District is a perfect wetland-based agricultural system. Shallow wetlands provide a unique ecological environment for various animals and plants. At present, there are more than 500 species of wild animals and plants in the area. The complex ecosystem combining paddy and duck farming perfectly embodies the traditional Chinese philosophy of harmony between man and nature. The Li Canal started as Hangou of the spring and autumn period, later evolved into Zhiying River of the Western Han Dynasty, then transformed into Shanyang Canal of the Sui Dynasty, and then emerged as the Canal of the Ming and Qing dynasties, has formed a perfect irrigation and drainage system with facilities such as gates, culverts, and dams. Thanks to this system, Gaoyou has grown into a major grain production base in China, which enjoys economic prosperity, social stability, and cultural vitality.